Okay, now this is interesting. So what's the most painful thing for children and even adults? Taking your temperature, right? I mean, stuffing that thing into your mouth and trying to get it right, or even using those digital monitors, very painful, usually very inaccurate. So here's one that's really easy. Doesn't go in the mouth, doesn't go anywhere else in case you're thinking. 16 sensors, 4,000 times it will measure in 2 seconds. So all you do is press this button, as you can see, measuring now it says, I put it to my temple, and it gives me a small vibration and tells me I'm at a very cool 97.5. Now that usually is my body temperature. This is from Withings, a very interesting product. I'm going to take you through this and a whole lot more in health and fitness.
Now, $100 for a thermometer sounds ridiculous, but trust us when we tell you that Withings' little temperature taker is pretty neat. For starters, it's not invasive. One push of a button and it takes your body temperature using 16 infrared sensors, then collects the data onto a smartphone. It takes 2 seconds to take your temperature with their hotspot sensor from your temporal artery. This part of your body is the most accurate. The display has a color system, heat levels are easier to read with it. The process is hygienic, especially because there's no earwax, saliva, or any body fluid involved.
Buzzword for the last 2 or 3 years in fitness has been wearables, but now here's a company that thinks that the garment is the wearable, is the computer, is the device that tracks it all. Now here, meet her. She's wearing a lot of sensors on her. You may not be able to see it. First, there's one right there. There's one right there. So here then is the future. Anyway, you're going to wear something when you go for a run, when you go and work out. If the garment is the computer, is the wearable itself, that may just solve the problem that I may just leave one of these behind. Let's take a closer look.
This is a more evolved chest strap heart rate monitor. Sensoria, a fitness tech company, has introduced a fitness bra. What you need to do is put any supported heart rate monitor that uses BLE, that's Bluetooth Low Energy, and just go for a run. The textiles electrodes are sewn into the bra to detect your heart rate and feed it to the heart rate monitor. Pair the monitor and bra with your exercise app and you're sorted. Sensoria also uses this tech in a pair of socks. They have textile sensors sewn into socks like the bra. Each smart sock is infused with 3 types of textile sensors under the foot to detect foot pressure. The conductive fibers relay data collected by the sensors to the anklet. It has been designed to function as a textile circuit board. Fitbit also showcased its latest device and wants to become more wholesome in the fitness tech category. From a fitness tracker, it wants to move into the smartwatch territory. Fitbit has its own software and has 3 types of bands: elastomer, leather, and luxury stainless steel. Fitbit Smart Band Blaze has a 5-day battery life and is priced at $200. Then there's this piece of jewelry. Misfit is one of the companies that can make a fitness band look good. The one that is out at CES is called the Ray. The Misfit band looks sleek and has an aluminium port with a tiny LED light. The LED light is a notification center. It also has a combination of sensors. The fitness tracker can calculate number of steps, distance, calories burned, and also monitors your sleep cycle.